But I just feel like it's exploding. For us, social media is exploding, and Instagram is a whole different market than Facebook, you know. And then there's so many different channels right now that you almost have to have somebody that's their focus.
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
What are you doing for marketing right now?
So mainly, I mean, I have some pieces inside of like Eden Prairie Center. I do flyers in the schools. I do like the little calendars that they send out each year for the school, or like your fun, like summer fun books that go out to the different areas. Like I have little pieces in all of these areas, but I feel like, I mean, I would like to.
What are you doing on social media?
I just Facebook and Instagram and
Do you
posting.
Do you post a lot?
We post a lot, but I don't really see anything beneficial.
Do you do any paid ads?
Yes, I've done. Yep, and those. I mean, they get people in, but it's like I feel like I need to be more creative with. Where I'm missing is like the younger ones. I feel like all of our competition, older kids, are what's featured and what people really look at. I need to find something creative, something creative for summer programs to bring in that. I feel like that's where I lack.
I totally feel that most studios, like if you sit and go on their websites, most studios post your best kid, and that's not what you're marketing to. You're marketing to your preschool, and you so. Posting more on preschool. I actually got some people off of garage sale sites, believe it or not. Like I posted our preschool stuff on area like moms clubs, and you know, it was like I kind of was pushing it by going on sites like buy and sell for moms. You know what I'm talking about? Like some of those social.
I know what you're saying.
Yeah, but posting preschool stuff and then getting them to post. So that would be one thing. But I just feel like it's exploding. For us, social media is exploding, and Instagram is a whole different market than Facebook, you know. And then there's so many different channels right now that you almost have to have somebody that's their focus.
Do you feel like the Instagram is more the kids versus
Yes.
the
Yeah, I feel like the parents are.
And Facebook is still more
The moms.
your
Yeah, I do. But if you're wanting to get kids posting stuff, you know, you got to go Insta. And like I took a really good class last year at Dance Teachers Summit, or a couple years ago at it was out in Long Beach, California, and they were really pushing Instagram because they said that's where it's going.